So the big star of this tour is the giant Buddha statue that's over there. And that's the Wat Pak Nam. Good afternoon. We are here at the Isarapap MRT station, and today we are going to the Hidden Boat Tours. And the easiest way to get there is to just take exit number 2 here at the MRT station, and then catch a tuk-tuk, and you have to go to the Baan restaurant, and that should be around 50 baht. Sawadee krap. By Baan Ploenนะครับ Baan Ploenครับ. Okay. It's always nice to start your trip with a nice tuk-tuk ride. So we have to go to Baan Ploen. Baan Ploen is the restaurant of Kun Om. Om is the owner of the boat tour, and we are going to do a boat tour where we're going to see the big golden Buddha. There are 2 friends of mine from Holland that are here as well, so we're going to do the tour together. So let's enjoy. Sawadee krap. How are you? I'm good. I'm always happy when I come here now. Yeah, they're all here. Okay, perfect. So here we are at the Baan Ploen restaurant, and we're meeting with our friends. Hello, boss. How are you? Good to see you, man. So if you want to do the sunset tour, you really have to book it in advance. All the boats are booked at 5 o'clock. The best time to do this tour is at sunset, and we just started now at 4:30. Here we're crossing the blue MRT line. So these canals used to be the streets of this area, so every house was connected with the canal, and they didn't have a street in the back. Until the 1960s the people were living like this, and then after that the roads became more popular, and this was a game changer for this area. And a lot of the Thai people were not interested anymore to live on the river because they were not able to park their cars on the house. By the way, this is how they grow morning glory. And if you like Thai food, you have stir-fried morning glory. And here's one of the speedboats. If you go to the main canal, you can also rent a speedboat like this. People are always asking me what are the nicest things you can do in Bangkok, and I definitely think doing one of those boat trips here with the Hidden Bangkok Tours is one of them. And it just is a cool, relaxed, nice atmosphere. You can just come here with a couple of friends, have a few beers. I feel like Jack Sparrow. See, this is a nice point in the tour here. So this is like a crossroads. 2 of the main canals come together here, and we are turning left in the direction of the artist's house. nice. In Krung Cafe. Sawadee krap. It looked good. We come back. I think this is the opening of a new place here. Ohm was explaining that some of the houses are almost falling in the water, and they are really afraid that these traditional areas are going to disappear. This is one of the reasons why they use the slow boats to go through the area, because that has less impact on the houses. Sawadee krap. Good. Gin. Wondering if this is a guest house or somebody's house with a water slide. So here we are at the area of the artist's house. This is a very popular destination in the weekend. It's Sunday afternoon now, and you can actually come here with the MRT, and a lot of people come here to feed the fish. If you want to visit the artist's house, you can also take the blue MRT to the Bang Pai station, and I made a video about how to get here. The station is over there. I will leave a link in the description of this video. So the big star of this tour is the giant Buddha statue that's over there. And that's the Wat Pak Nam. I've never seen it so busy here on the canal. So from here you have an amazing view of the Buddha statue of Wat Pak Nam. And this is the tallest sitting Buddha in the country. So during the tour you can request to make a stop here at the Wat Pak Nam, and this is the biggest Buddha in Bangkok. This is just recently opened. This is about 1 year old, and the last time I was here they were still constructing it. I've been here so many times and it just keeps impressing. In the temple next to it you have the emerald room. Here from the back you actually have the best light for the Buddha statue. This is another Hidden Bangkok Tours boat. Phraya river now. The boat is gonna bring us to the other side of the river. Here to the left you have the Wat Arun temple, the famous temple of dawn. And because it's Sunday, the restaurant is closed, so we are going to eat here at the Riva Arun. But normally I would recommend go and eat at Baan Ploen, which is Kun Om's restaurant. So we are at the end of our tour. We're here at the Sanam Chai MRT station. We had a great tour. If you are interested, you can go to Hidden Bangkok Tours. If you like this video and you want to know more about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line and see you guys in my next video. Hier komt er gewoon op, hè?